Hello everyone. I thought of interacting with you something which is very special, very close to my heart, which is mental well-being for each individual. It's important that societies, families, organizations understand that all of us are unique and all of us have unique talents. And within this uniqueness, how can we collaborate and come together for common well-being for all? We must acknowledge this, their individual's uniqueness, individual talent, and how we can support them. We got to come out from these individual thought process, individual silos, individual perspective, and start to appreciate other perspective, other needs, and what are we doing in understanding others' need and how we can support them. It's very easy to fight, it's very easy to ignore other perspective, it's very easy to just give importance to yourself, your thought process. But coming together is greatness, supporting each other is greatness, creating a common charter is greatness. And when we come together, when we start to accept everyone, when we start to acknowledge each individual's talent, each individual's contribution, that's how families grow. That's how society grow. That's how organizations grow. So my request is think about it. It's so important. It's very easy to get carried away in your thought. It's very easy to fight. It's very easy to continuously stay stuck with the images of individuals. Shut this out from your mind. Think about the positive. Think about the beautiful life we can have when we all come together. It's time to show up. It's time to build our families. It's time to build our society. It's time to build our organization. With this thought, I'm wishing you great mental health. Look at how you can support each other and don't give up. Giving up is also very easy. Don't give up. There are ways, there are tools, there are technique, there is support which is available. If you are not getting that support from family, if you are not getting that support from society, reach out to friends, reach out to subject expert, but don't give up. Life has got so much more, so much more. With this wish, wishing you awesome life. Stay spirited. Thank you very much.